Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Substack newsletter, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you link or connect your Facebook pixel or your Meta pixel to your Substack newsletter account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to link your Meta pixel to your Substack publication account anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know it's important to track conversions, and by connecting your Facebook or Meta pixel to your Substack, that's an important process. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Substack dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Substack, and this is the home screen. Now here in the home screen, if you're going to go ahead and link your Facebook or your Meta pixel to your Substack, this is assuming you already have the pixel ID. If you need help finding your Facebook pixel ID, go back and watch my other video that describes that in detail. Once you have the Facebook Meta ID, it's going to be handled here. And what you're going to do is here on the top menu, you're going to click on settings. Once you click on settings, you're going to see this drop down here on the left, and you're going to look towards the bottom to this button here called analytics. Okay, once you click there, you're going to see all these different options, but look for this one here called Facebook Pixel ID. And all you're going to do is click into the box and then just paste it in. Once you paste it in, be sure to click on save. Once you click on save, your Facebook Meta Pixel ID should be presented right there, and that way you can start tracking. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to link or connect your Facebook or your Meta Pixel ID to your Substack publication account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.